Want to keep your Monday.com workspace tidy and organized without losing important information? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to archive items in Monday.com. By the end of this video, you'll know how to quickly move tasks out of the way while still having access to them later if needed. Perfect for cleaning up clutter or wrapping up completed projects. Let's jump right in. First, open up Monday.com. Go ahead and log in so you're looking at your workspace dashboard. If you have multiple boards or projects, just head to the one where you want to archive an item. It's a good idea to take a moment to make sure you've got the right board open, especially if you're working on several tasks at once. Double-checking that you're looking at the right list can save a lot of confusion later on. Next, look for the Table view. Usually that's up at the top of your board alongside other view options like Kanban or Timeline. Click on Table to make sure you're seeing your tasks in a classic spreadsheet-style list. Monday.com offers several ways to visualize your data, but the Table view lays everything out in neat rows and columns, which makes it super easy to find and select individual tasks. I always recommend switching to Table view for bulk actions or quick organizing, because it gives you the clearest overview. Now, locate the task you want to archive. You'll see a small checkbox on the left side of each task row. Hover your mouse over the row and click that checkbox. You can select just one item, or several if you're archiving more than one task at a time. When you select a task, it highlights, letting you know it's active. Don't worry if you pick the wrong one. You can always uncheck it and choose another. Taking a second to confirm your selection helps avoid accidentally archiving something you still need front and center. Once you've checked your task or tasks, you'll notice a menu pops up at the bottom of your screen. This menu gives you several options for working with the selected items, like changing their status, duplicating, or, in this case, archiving. If you don't see the menu appear, make sure at least one checkbox is selected. That's what triggers those management options to come up. Now for the key step, click Archive. This moves your selected item out of the current board view, tucking it away so it's no longer visible in your daily workflow, but it isn't deleted forever. Archiving is a little like moving files into a storage box. They're not front and center anymore, but you can always open up that box later and review or restore them if you need to. This function is super handy if you've finished a task and want to clear up space on your board, or if you want to hide completed projects without losing a record of what's been done. Depending on the size of the item or the speed of your internet connection, archiving might take a moment. That's completely normal. Once you've clicked Archive, Monday.com will confirm that the item is archived, and now you'll see your board looks a bit cleaner and less cluttered. You can always access archived items down the line, so there's no risk of losing important historical data. Think of it as your workspace's attic, and that's all there is to it. You've just learned how to archive items in Monday.com. Keeping your boards streamlined will make it easier to focus on what matters most, while always giving you the flexibility to bring back old records if you ever need them. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button and drop any questions or experiences in the comments below. I love hearing how you're using Monday.com to get organized. And if you want more step-by-step guides like this one, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a helpful tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.